Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of SEALSQ. SEALSQ is sliding hard. The reaction around nearby support will be important. Today, the stock is dropped by 7.8%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor is intact, while short and medium-term pressure persists. After reaching the measured objective and its extensions, price is now in a corrective pullback. If buyers defend this retracement area, the potential recovery path is $6.83 long-term target, then $8.19, 1.618 extension, then $10.38, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in an early build phase with 2 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, EMA 200 reclaimed, and prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed still pending. Based on the length of the prior impulse, an estimated completion window ranges from about 27 to 51 sessions, which is roughly 7.8 weeks. Invalidation sits near approximately 4.44 on a decisive daily close below that level. A rising trend line is still acting as support near $2.79. There is a recent downward gap between $5.86 and $5.90 that remains unfilled. If price attempts to close this gap, it could climb by nearly 31.4% from current levels. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between December 10th and January 8th, the price saw a re-increase of around 823.8%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. The price is trading above the 78%, approximately 3.92 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 5.43 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 13.45, Fib 1.27, and then approximately 16.57. Looking at SEALSQ today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 39.8, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $4.540. If price manages to close above $4.540 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation-type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $4.440, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $6.830, long-term target $8.187, 1.618 extension, $10.38, 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we're tracking the next resistance around $4.540, support near $4.440. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for SEALSQ. The most recent headline is Why Hedge Funds Are Buying LAES Stock, Earnings Summary Report, and Stepwise Trade Signal Implementation. SEALSQ, NASDAQ LAES to launch U.S. post-quantum root of trust with CNSA 2.0 PKI November 21. Stock Titan, 68 hours ago SEALSQ Corp. LAES, stock jumps on post-quantum root of trust launch ahead of 2025 rollout. Parameter IO, 60 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on SEALSQ. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.